Hello friends, hope all of you are doing well. Today I've came here to give you a quick update regarding Sunflowerland secret event. What is that? Well, let's go to Discord first. On 14th of this month, sorry for the interruption. Um, on 14th of this month, the team has announced broadcast happening now to cover trading, storage, and upcoming events, including the live secret event happening right now. Well, nothing more is discussed there, but what I thought that right now we are having a sunflower cake event going on. So what we all have till now, we have radish cake, then potato cake, then pumpkin cake and carrot cake already been baked. So we are still one cakes to be baked, and today you can see that wheat cake has came up. So for that you have to spend 35 wheat and 10 eggs. That's a costly one. Right? Well, what I thought that if you put if you keep all the cakes, whatever cake you have baked, if you have not sold it yet, if you keep all the cakes, or if you have already sold, then you try to buy it from anywhere. So after this cake event will be over, I guess they will be giving you a good NFT for keeping all the cakes till the end of this event. Hopefully that will be a very good priced NFT for us, because this is going to be a price position of obviously, because it will be a costly thing, because you know that cake you you are crafting, or you are baking, it is taking good amount of wheat as well as that vegetables and 10 eggs each time. So that is obviously a costly one. If you keep all the cakes without selling it, so definitely you will be definitely be eligible to get a prize or prize NFT from them. So that is my point to discuss here. Hopefully all of you have understood what I meant to say. So if possible, try to keep all of your cakes till this event gets over. Thank you very much to all of you, and please do support my channel if you like this content. Thank you once again.